In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a secure order using Alibaba's Trade Assurance service. This service is essential for ensuring that your online transactions are not only smooth, but also protected. Trade Assurance on Alibaba helps safeguard your purchases from the moment you place your order until delivery, providing peace of mind for buyers when making international purchases. Let's begin by highlighting the importance of selecting a supplier who offers trade assurance. Not all suppliers on Alibaba provide this service, so when browsing potential sellers, make sure that they offer this protection. Look for the trade assurance icon on their product listings. This ensures that your transactions will be covered, giving you an extra layer of security. Once you've chosen a supplier and confirmed they provide trade assurance, it's necessary to use Alibaba's trade assurance payment system. This system acts as a middleman, holding your payments until you receive and approve the goods. Opting for this method helps prevent potential pitfalls, such as receiving substandard products or worse, no products at all. To initiate, simply follow the prompts for trade assurance during checkout, and payment will be securely managed by Alibaba. While waiting for your order to be processed and shipped, it's vital to monitor its progress and maintain communication with your supplier. Alibaba's platform makes this easy. Check updates regularly through your account dashboard. Use Alibaba's messaging tools to stay in touch with your supplier to clarify any questions, confirm shipping details, and ensure everything is on track. Transparent communication can preempt many misunderstandings and help build a good relationship with your supplier. Despite these proactive steps, disputes can sometimes arise. It's important to know that in the event something does go wrong with your order, Trade Assurance has you covered. If your goods are significantly delayed, of inferior quality, or don't match the product description, you can open a claim with Alibaba. Be sure to do this within the designated Trade Assurance window, which you can find in your order's details section. This ensures that your claim is valid and gets processed in a timely manner. Provide all necessary evidence, such as photos, messages, and any other relevant documentation to support your case. To wrap things up, using Alibaba's Trade Assurance provides many benefits. It keeps your payments secure, encourages reliable delivery timing, and allows for dispute resolution if things don't go as planned. By ensuring your supplier offers trade assurance and following these steps, you're well on your way to making more secure and confident purchases online. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been informative and equips you to use trade assurance effectively for your future orders on Alibaba.